63767. Tires. Every solid rubber tire on a vehicle shall have rubber on its entire traction surface at least 1 inch thick above the edge of the flange of the entire rim. No person shall operate or move on any highway, any motor vehicle, trailer, or semi-trailer having any metal tire in contact with the roadway. No tire on a vehicle moved on a highway shall have on it any block, stud, flange, cleat, or spike, or any other protrusions of any material other than rubber which projects beyond the tread of the traction surface of the tire. However, it shall be permissible to use farm machinery with tires having protrusions which will not enter the highway, and it shall be permissible to use tire chains of reasonable proportions upon any vehicle when required for safety because of snow, ice, other conditions tending to cause the vehicles to skid. Mississippi Department of Transportation and local authorities in their respective jurisdictions may, in their discretion, issue special permits authorizing the operation upon a highway of traction engines or tractors having movable tracks with transverse corrugations upon the corrugation of such movable tracks or farm tractors or other farm machinery, the operation of which upon a highway would otherwise be prohibited under this title. Like the video, comment, share it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.